Welcome to Mission San Juan Capistrano, the jewel of the missions. We are dedicated to providing service, stewardship, safety, and an experience to remember. Before you arrive, we want to ensure you have all the information needed to facilitate a fun and safe visit. This video will cover pre-arrival, teacher check-in, transportation, and procedures to follow with mission staff to prepare you and your students for the day ahead. Before arriving at the mission, our group bookings department will have contacted you with a series of emails to explain the different available tour options. We recommend you follow the provided links to familiarize yourself with the tour type you selected, so you know what to expect. There will be a personalized confirmation email sent a week before your field trip date to ensure that you are informed of the programs in which you will be participating, including the start and end time of each activity. We ask that you please arrive 15 minutes before your first program is scheduled to allow time for our staff to welcome your class and provide them with safety rules while you check in. Upon arrival, our staff will usher your students and chaperones into the mission and talk to them briefly about what to expect for the day. This is a perfect opportunity for you to check in with our guest services department at the gatehouse. A field ambassador will be available to walk you to our mission's main entrance, where you can finalize any changes to the number of students and chaperones in your group. The information you should have available include the name of your school, the number of students, chaperones, and teachers, whether you plan on visiting the mission store with your class or if you have pre-shop forms, and what time you expect to be leaving property so we can help you exit safely when you're ready. There are a few different ways your school can arrive to the mission. Most schools will come by bus, while some will arrive by train or car. If you are arriving by bus, you will temporarily park on Camino Capistrano to safely drop students, teachers, and lunches. Bus drivers will be given bus parking maps because some days we can have upwards of 10 buses dropping off students. For courtesy reasons, we need to clear space for other schools to drop off. Please communicate your departure time with your bus driver so he or she can pick you up when you're ready. If you are arriving by train, you are only a few minutes walk away from the mission. We are dedicated to your students' safety, so be sure that everyone stays on the sidewalks and crosses the street when the crosswalk sign signals. For smaller schools that carpool together, you can park in any free public parking space near the mission. The most convenient place to park is along Camino Capistrano. Also, we have a map on our website as a reference. Be aware that these parking spaces are available for only 5 hours. We do not want you to get a ticket on your visit. After parking, please go to the front of the mission to meet up with the rest of your class. Once everyone is at the front, an ambassador will bring you into the grounds. When unloading, make sure the students or chaperones help bring in any lunches you may have. When you enter the gate, we will provide a lunch wagon for your lunches. For safety reasons, we can't allow our lunch wagons onto the sidewalk. Once the lunches are loaded into a wagon, an ambassador will move them to a location on property where you will enjoy them later in the day. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call our group bookings department at 949-234-1306, where we will help you resolve any problems or answer any questions. Please let us know if you have any students with any special needs or requirements ahead of time so we can make your visit a safe and enjoyable one. Thank you for coming to visit Mission San Juan Capistrano.